All right, here we go. Diego, what are we doing with this computer?
We are making it into a case.
We're gonna make it into a case. Well, yeah. So we're gonna upgrade your existing computer.
Yeah.
So we're gonna get you a new motherboard, a new CPU, and a new case.
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
All right. So, what do we got here?
A motherboard.
A motherboard. Perfect. So you already opened it up. So go ahead, show us the motherboard. Get it out. He already grounded himself too. Discharged himself from static electricity, which can damage these components. So go ahead, get it out.
A lot of these things could damage them.
There we go.
A lot of stuff could damage the motherboard.
Yeah.
Especially.
Yeah, a lot of things can damage
The motherboard is the most fragile thing of all of them.
Yes.
Because if you drop it, it could break.
Alright.
This looks like
that's your CPU. It's going to be a 12900K.
Wow.
It's a really fast processor. Probably more than you need, but I just so happen to have an extra one laying around. So all we did was get you a motherboard. Okay, we'll lay the motherboard there.
And
okay?
this thing.
This thing here, Diego got was a SSD, but I couldn't fit the box in here, so it's a 1 terabyte Samsung 980 Pro. Boom. Okay, we'll put it up side for now. So it should give him enough storage for most of his games.
Yeah, and then my case is still over there.
Your case is still over there for sure. Okay, so for now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna install two things, Diego.
Yeah.
Your CPU that goes here, and your hard drive that goes here. So, do you have your screwdriver handy?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll start with the hard drive, or the SSD. Undo these two screws. Right there. Make sure it's flat. It's not and not seated properly. Make sure you push in on both corners. That way.
This way?
Yeah, push in. You see how it's tilting like this? Don't let it do that. Make sure it's flat. Like that. Okay?
Yeah.
Now push down and twist that all the way. Twist it all the way. Keep going until it's flat. There you go. That way it doesn't come off. Okay? Got that part?
Yeah, because if I'm playing Fortnite,
Alright, let's show the camera. So your SSD is in there. Perfect. Now, you're going to put this back with that removed. The SSD is installed. Okay? Now we're going to do the CPU.
Do we have to peel off this thing? Or is that not tape?
Yeah, we don't have to peel off the sticker. We gotta remove that cover.
It can
So,
remove it. It's easy to remove.
open it up. It just twist it off. This. There you go. What the? Where'd it go?
Where'd it go?
Where's the CPU?
Where's the CPU? Where's the CPU? What? Did the CPU just go somewhere? God, is this the already used one?
Yes, it's my old CPU.
Oh, so it went somewhere, didn't it?
Oh, we opened the wrong box because my friend bought the same thing. Try that one. It's funny.
You trying to scam me? There it is.
There it is. Yeah, my friend just bought one. That's why I use his box.
All right, I got the CPU out.
All right. Be careful not to touch this. I know you already touched it, but so you hold it by its sides, okay?
Okay.
All right. You see this tab?
Yeah.
Look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna push down and get it out of the way. Okay? Now that opens. But before you put that in there, I want to show you something. You see this little triangle? You're gonna find that little triangle right here. You see that?
Yeah.
And that tells you gotta put this corner on this side like that. Other thing is, you notice these notches?
Yeah.
They're gonna keep the CPU lined up and preventing you from putting it in the other way. Okay?
Yeah.
So go ahead, pick it up and drop it in there gently. Do not bend those pins. You gotta be extra careful. Wait. There you go. Perfect. Now you can put that cover in there. You can either snap it with your finger, or when you tighten it with the lever here, it's just gonna kick it out. What do you want to do?
I'm gonna tighten it with the lever.
All right. Well, we're gonna do that. Then we gotta align this here. Now you gotta push this and make it hook into there. Real hard.
I'm kind of scared it will break.
It won't break. There you go. Now this just comes right off. See that? Save this in case we ever replace your motherboard.
Yeah, if I
We can put it back and we can cover those motherboard pins, okay? Now, before we continue any further with this motherboard, I want you to start peeling all the protective film that's on it. So,
Hey, Papa, which one is a scam?
it's not a scam.
Yes, it is.
I just gave you the wrong one.
No, because you tried to scam me.
Nah, I did it. Here.
Yes, you did.
Here, start peeling these off. Careful with that.
Oh, that's this box.
All right. Here, you missed a couple. Look.
I can't even see it.
I mean, either, but they're there. Here.
On all the logos.
Right there. Look. And what is this?
What is that?
We're gonna get rid of that, right? Or should we leave it?
Yeah, I think we should leave it.
All right, we'll leave it.
When we get the case, we will same as Mom.
All right, we're gonna show the camera what we're working with.
Mine is also the same one.
Yeah.
Because me and Mom have the same case.
This computer has gone through hell. Oh my God! There's also all kinds of quicksand on it.
No, that could.
It has a GeForce 980 Ti graphics card. So let's open it up, Diego. Undo these screws.
All right.
All 4 of them. Yeah. And then the case just slides backwards.
But the screw fell off, and then I catched it with my finger. Can't really see, but I can see that beautiful inside.
All right, yeah, I'll flip it on its side. But before we flip it on its side, I need you to undo these screws.
So
Push on this tab because it has a little hook that keeps it in place. So push on that tab and then pull.
I can't.
Like this. Can you get it? Okay, fine. I got it. Okay, so we unplugged the graphics card. Now remove this screw that holds the graphics card in place. Right here. It's a thumb screw, but it also has the other way. Yeah, that's how you loosen stuff. Do it by hand, and you can put that in the magnetic tray that we just got. Perfect. Okay, that's all. No, that's the only one holding the graphics card. After that, you see this tab?
Yeah.
You push in on it. You could use your screwdriver or something to release the graphics card from the PCI slot, and then it just pulls right off.
So that's the graphics card?
Yes, this is what gives you
The graphics.
Like video and pulled it off at an angle. I shouldn't have done that.
Yeah, there's another screw on that side.
No, there's not. It's this there.
Oh, there it is.
There's your graphics card. So go ahead, go back to the other side.
Yeah, myself.
Yeah, it's a little dusty. We'll clean it up in a bit. Alright, so here's your new case, Diego. Go ahead, start peeling up all the plastic.
I'm using my glove.
Oh my goodness, it is a day after Christmas and this store is jam-packed.
I am here at Michael Center.
What are we here for? What are we here for?
To get our CPU cooler.
That's right. Let's go get it. It looks like the DIY stuff's over here. And these are the CPU coolers.
I'll be over here.
What do you think, Diego? That should do the job.
I cannot like this one.
Or this one here with the, oh, this one has an LCD on it. Look.
Oh, yeah, I want that one.
Wanna go with the one with the LCD? Right?
LCD.
LCD.
Papa?
Yeah, that does look
Where'd it
cool,
go?
right? Right, time for the moment of truth. Will it start? What do you wait. Will it start?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead, hit it. It's going. Oh my goodness. Look how cool it looks.
It's so cool.
Did you look at
And
the
this lights up.
that
this lights up
yeah.
too.
Mm-hmm. Alright, perfect. And all I gotta do is install Windows.
Oh, I can only change the color of the little
Of the case?
yeah. No, this piece right there.
Yeah,
The
those
button.
fans are connected to the motherboard. I'll show you how to change the light.
Oh, that's what I want to do.
Mm-hmm. Perfect, there it is. Going into the BIOS. And all I have left to do is Windows. Alright. Stay tuned and then we'll get it all set up. So, Diego, what are your favorite games to play on the PC now that it's going?
Plants vs. Zombie Garden Warfare and Fortnite.
You like Fortnite?
And
What about Minecraft?
No.
No, not your favorite? I
Not
see
that
you
much.
play it a lot.
I'll play it, but not that much. And
What about
Also-
Teardown?
yeah, Teardown.
You like Teardown? What about Raft?
Oh, Raft. I'm gonna get that game. So yeah.
Cool. All right. Well, this thing's almost ready to go, so you did a good job. Enjoy and take care of it, okay?
Mhm.